Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing amazing. Today we will start with a new chapter, chapter 7. It's last chapter for this course. So the subject is about representing division. From this lesson, we'll learn how we can divide the decimal number by whole number. By two, we can use models to divide. Also, we can divide by using the paper and pencil. From there, we have activity, two activities. Let's from first, if you have 1.5 divided by 3, that means we divide 1.5 by 3, the decimal number by whole number. 1.5, this one is whole number, so it's 1 square. For this square, if you have 1 square, we make this 10 parts. Both of them was colored. And this 5, it's after decimal point, it's placed tenths. We said that any digit we have after decimal point from first, it's tenths. At right, it's tenths. So that means we have square, we make it 10 parts and 5 part of them is color. So it's 1 whole and it's 5 part of 10. It's 1 and 5 tenths. 5 tenths. If you divide by 3, we can cut this part to make 15 parts. After that, this 15 we have will divide by 3. Look at there. Each one take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means if you have 15 part divided by 3, it will be 5. But it's 1.5 divided by 3. We put point after this 5 because this 5 is placed tenths. Also, it's another activity. You can use a hundredths model to show 0.24 divided by 6. This 24 is from place hundredths. We said that the first digit at right next decimal point it is tenths and next tenths it's hundredths. But that's whole it's ones. Okay, so that means it's 24 parts in 100 parts. So we have a square, we make it 100 parts because this 24 is hundreds place. After that we'll collect 24 of them. After that we cut this 24, we make 24 parts, small parts. We will divide by 6. We see that each row take, so 24 divided by 6 is 4, and this 4 is from place hundreds. So we'll put 0 and point 0 to be this 4 in place hundreds. Students, please stay with me. Let's do some exercise about how we can divide decimal by whole number by using paper and pencil. Practice page 109. Find the quotient. We don't use the model. We can do it by this way. For example, from number 1, we have 0.08 divided by 2. This 8 is from place hundreds. Look at it, it's tenths and it's hundreds. So from first, just we'll divide this 8. 8 divided 2, it will be 4. So this 4 is one digit, but we must be have in place hundreds. So we make two digit, we put this 0. After that, we put 0 and point. Look at it, it's like this side, it's from place hundreds. Also, this is from place hundreds. From number 2, we have 0.24 divided by 4. This 24 will divide by 2 from first. 24 divided by 2 is 12 because we know that 12 times 2 is 24. After that, we look at them. This 24, it's in which place? It's in place hundreds. So it's 12 when it's tenths and hundreds. Also, it's place hundreds. That means after decimal point from this side, we have two digits. From there also we have two digits. So just we put this point and 0. We put 0 point in whole. And from number 3 we have 0.15 divided by 3. From first, just we'll divide 15 by 3. It will be 5 because 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, after that, this 15 is placed hundreds because the digit after decimal point it's tenths and it's hundredths. So from there, this 5 it's one digit to be from place hundreds. We will put 0, it will be 0.5 and point 0 we put down this 0 point decimal we put down. After that we make this 0 to be from place hundreds. Look at there, from there we have two digit after decimal point. Also it must be at the another side at the quotient we have two digit after decimal point. From there, number 4, it's 1.2 divided by 4. This 1.2, it's 12 parts because this one, it's one whole, that means it's 10 parts. And this 2, it's 2 parts from tenths. So it will be 12. In mind, we will say 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4, it's 3. So this 3, it's one digit after decimal point, one digit. Also from the another side, we have one digit. So just we put 0 and point. From number 5, we have 0.12 divided by 2. From first, just we'll divide this 12. 12 divided 2, it's 6. But this 12, from there we have two digit after decimal point, it's just 6. So we'll put this 0 to be two digit to be in place hundredths. After that we put 0 and point. From 6 we have 3.5 divided by 5, it's 35 parts. So from your mind, take away this point, just say 35 divided by 5, because this 3, it's whole number, so it's 30 part, and this 5, it's 5 parts for 10 parts. So it's 35 parts. 35 divided 5, it will be 7. And after that, we look at the after decimal point. From there, we have just one digit. And 7 also, it's from place tens. So just we put 0 and point. From number 7, we have 2.4 divided by 3. This 2.4, that means 24 parts. Because 2 is 20, it's whole number, and 4 is 4 from place tens. So 24 will divide by 3, it will be 8. And one digit we have after decimal point. At 8, it's also one digit, it's tens. So just we put 0 and point. From 8, we have 0.08 divided by 8. From first, we divide 8. 8 divided 8, it's 1. And this 8 is from place hundredths. We have two digits after decimal point. 1, 2. But from there, it's 1. So we put this 0 to be two digit. After that, we have 0.01 to be two digit after decimal point. From 9, it's 0.39 divided by 3. We will divide 39 by 3. We can say 3 divided 3, it's 1, and 9 divided 3, it's 3. So it's 13. After that, this look at after decimal point, it's two digits. That means it's from place hundredths. So this 13 also, it's two digits, so it's correct. Just we put point and 0. From 10, we have 0.44 divided by 2. From first, say in your mind, 40 by 2, it's 22, because 22 times 2, it's 44. After that, this from there, we have two digits after decimal point. At this side also, we have two digits, just we put point and 0. From 11, we have 0.18 divided by 9. We'll divide 18 by 9, it will be 2. But this 18 is from place hundredths. It's tenths and it's hundredths. But 2 it's only, so we put this 2 before 2, please, to be in place hundredths. This 2 to be in place hundredths. We don't add at last, okay? It's mistake. We must be add before this 2 to be this 2. We need this 2 from place hundredths. So it's tenths and it's hundredths. From 12, we have 18 divided by 6. From first, we have 0.18 divided by 6. This 18 will divide 6, it will be 3. So from there, we have two digits after decimal point. 3 it's only, so we put this 0 to be two digit to be in place hundredths. After that, we put 0 and point. That's easier way how to find questions. I hope you get benefit.